So I saw this video before where this guy was doing some parts cleaning, but he was soaking some stuff, and he came up with this contraption on a way to, and it was pretty, in my opinion, elaborate on how to clean parts, and with a, I don't know what you call it, a vibrating parts cleaner, whatever. So what I did is same kind of scenario. I just got a Clorox wipes container. Inside the container, man, I probably shouldn't have opened this, but I've got my part in there, which is pretty gunked up, and I put some cleaner in there. And the thing about it is, supposedly, if if it vibrates, that it gets deeper into the part. So what I got is a bucket, and I would have just, I got a bucket and a fan. I would have just used this, but in case for whatever reason this falls over, I want it to be contained inside the bucket. So I put it inside the bucket, take the fan, plug the fan in, and let's see, turn the fan on. And I don't know if you can see that vibration there. You might see it in the camera. You might see it in the camera, the slight vibration. But I can tell you it's vibrating. Oh, can you see that? See how it's moving there? Oh, you can see down in the liquid, in the reflection, on how that's moving. So I'm just gonna let this spin overnight and see what we come up with. But that's all it is. An empty container inside a bucket on top of a fan blowing, vibrating the parts.